Hello there, welcome to Tauret Shona. Here's another video on Shona nouns. Today we are going to learn days of the week, mazuva emushondo. We are going to start with Sunday, which is called Shondo. Shondo. Next is Monday. Monday is called Muvuro. The word is basically structured around the word vura, which is open. It's like the opening of the working week. Chipiri is Tuesday. Chipiri is Tuesday. Wednesday is called Chitatu. Chitatu or Chitatu. Thursday is called China. China. Friday is Chishanu. Chishanu. Saturday is called Mugovera. Mugovera. So if you want to say, here's just a few extras here. If you want to say next Sunday, you say Sondo Inotevera. Inotevera is the word basically means following. So it's like saying the following Sunday. So next Monday becomes Muvuro Unotevera. Next Tuesday is Chipiri Chinotevera. Next Wednesday, Chitatu Chinotevera. Next Thursday, China Chinotevera. Next Friday, Chishanu Chinotevera. Next Saturday, Mugovera Unotevera. You see that the days that start with M, they've got U. U. And the days that start with C, they've got CH, CH. Sunday is different, Sondo. It has got an I, Inotevera. But you can see that it's just basically variations of the same word. For past days, in the last week. Last Sunday is Sondo Yapfura. Kupfura is the basic word of all these yellow words. It means past. So last Monday becomes Muvuro Wapfura. Last Tuesday becomes Chipiri Chapfura. Last Wednesday Chitatu Chapfura. Last Thursday China Chapfura. Last Friday Chishanu Chapfura. Last Sunday Mugovera Wapfura. Again you see that same pattern, Wa and Wa here for Mugovera and Muvuro, and then CH for Chipiri Chitatu China Chishanu, and then Sondo is different. Right, here is our summary of what we've covered. Sunday is Sondo, Monday is Muvuro, Tuesday is Chipiri, Wednesday Chitatu, Thursday China, Friday Chishanu, Saturday Mugovera. As I explained earlier on, Muvuro means opening. This is the beginning of the working week. Chipiri, the root word for this Chipiri is Piri, which is 2. So it's like the second day of the week. Chitatu is the same. It's also rooted around the word 3 in Shona, which is Tatu or Natu. China for Thursday is the same. It's for Ina is 4. Friday Chishanu, Shanu is number 5. Mugovera is not time related, is not count related, but it's just a Mugovera. It's different from the other, just like Sondo and Muvuro. Thank you for watching, and let's speak Shona. Let's learn Shona. Goodbye.